Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a carrot cake bite. Actually gluten-free, it's made with rice cakes. It's made with pecans, dates, cinnamon, ginger and carrot. That's it, very simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put everything into the blender. So we'll just put a chopped carrot, the pecans. You can use walnuts, I just don't eat walnuts. Break up some rice cakes. So this is instead of using oats, I've seen recipes that use oats and oat flour. Some dates, which will give it its nice sweetness. And then we're going to use some cinnamon and some ginger. Okay, the cinnamon, a little bit of ginger. And we're just going to break it all up so it sticks together and we'll make balls from that. Okay, let's have a look. So, let's see if we can make a ball. Take some mixture, roll it, and make a ball. And you can make them as big as you want. Pop them in the fridge and we'll dip them in chocolate. I can show you what they look like once they're all rolled and once they've been in the fridge, and then we'll dip them in chocolate. Okay, so I've rolled them into balls. They look very nice. A little tip for you. If you have dates in your fridge that are old, been sitting there for a little while, and they're dry, you might need to add a little maple syrup to the mix so they bind together. If you buy fresh Medjool dates that are really soft and chewy, you won't need to add. So it's just a little tip for you. So I'm going to take a skewer. I've melted some chocolate. You can do white chocolate, dark chocolate, and I'm just going to dip it in a little bit. You can cover the whole thing. You can cover half of them. You can decorate it with crushed pecans. I'm just going to dip half, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge. If you put them in your freezer, just make sure you take them out about 10 minutes before you want to eat them so they'll soften a little bit. Otherwise, they'll be very hard. Unless you like them nice and frozen. So there you go. Look at that. Delicious. There you have it. A really great sweet treat. Super easy to make. Gluten-free and vegan. Enjoy!